Hello everyone, this is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working with the semi-coat. I've already showed you several videos about it. Last time I showed you how to make a stand collar. We received a lot of positive feedback on these videos. I wasn't planning to make so many tutorials on this semi-coat, but I'm going to show you how to edge the sleeves and the bottom. I remind you that there are dolman sleeves in this coat. We cut both the coat itself and the lining with dolman sleeves. We'll show you what to do next. Be very attentive. The side seams are already stitched. They shouldn't be. We did it because we were showing you how to stitch the lining and the stand collar. The right thing to do is to overcast the sleeves before stitching the side seams. It would be much easier for you to do what Svetlana is doing now if you work accurately. We had to remove the stitching from the side seams. The width of the overcast is 3 cm. Draw a line first and then make a spacing seam on it. The side seam should be stitched only after that. Svetlana made the spacing seams. She had also cut the interfacing material. Show it, please. Let's go to the ironing desk. Have a look here. Svetlana put the interfacing material right on the seam. It's not the right thing to do. The interfacing material should be cut in half. We'll show you what to do. Cut the detail this way. Watch what Svetlana is doing. The interfacing material should be attached under the seam. Do not forget to cut the extra pieces from it. This is very important. Don't ever touch the interfacing material right above the seam. Svetlana doubled the overcast, trimmed the edge, cut the extra pieces from the seam and the interfacing material. Next, we need to fold the detail according to the spacing seam and press it with an iron this way. Notice that Svetlana is pressing the detail close to the wrong side of the sleeve. Don't be afraid to press the detail hard. Don't ever try to overcast the sleeves when they are already stitched. You would never manage to do it accurately. Have a look at the sleeve. It's perfect. Next, we need to stitch the side seams once again. Turn the sleeves. We're not working with the lining now. It has nothing to do with what we're doing. Make sure that you pin the double details accurately. This is very important. You can either tack or pin the details before stitching them. Svetlana is stitching the side seam. The width of the seam is 1 cm. Have a close look here. When you reach the double part, make the seam tighter, just 5 mm wide. The overcast shouldn't be too tight. This is the best thing to do. Next, we need to make a couple of notches in the round part of the seam. We need to do it in order for us to be able to iron the seams easily. Very nice. Next, we need to go back to the ironing desk to press the seam open. Svetlana is pressing the seam open. You can see that the notches make it possible to iron the seam without any problems. If there were no notches here, it would be very hard to iron the seam. We need to iron the seam to the very end. Do not forget to cut all the extra pieces. Next, we need to press the overcast once again. We need to make sure that it's still accurate after stitching the side seams. Let's go back to the table. We need to turn the sleeves right side out. After that, we need to pin the shoulder seam of the sleeve to the shoulder seam of the lining. Make sure that the details are accurate and the seams match. Don't stretch or gather the details. It's obvious now how much the lining is longer than the sleeve. Lay the details on the table accurately. Be very careful and attentive. We need to cut the lining in such a way that it's 1 centimeter longer than the sleeve. Have a close look at the sleeve once again. As I've already said, the lining should be just 1 centimeter longer than the sleeve itself. Have a close look at what Svetlana is doing. Cut the extra piece and throw it away. Next, we need to stitch the ends of the seams once again, for them not to tear apart. I remind you that we cut the extra piece of the lining. This is why we had to stitch the ends of the seams once again. It's very important to do it before you attach the lining to the sleeve. Next, we need to hold the beginning of the seams with the fingers and take the pins out. After that, you should turn the sleeves wrong side out. Svetlana, show what you are doing, please. Fold the lining this way, so that the seams match face to face, and turn the sleeve wrong side out. Next, we need to insert the first pin here. After that, we need to pin the lining round this way. You can pin the second seam first.
Шов со швом.
When we pin the details, Svetlana will stitch them. The width of the seam should be 7 mm. I recommend stitching the details not from the lining side. I remind you that we are stitching the bottom of the lining to the bottom of the sleeve. The seam is ready. Next, we need to cut the extra pieces of the interlining material. Next, we need to attach the overcast to the sleeve by hands. We'll turn the sleeves right side out when we do it. There is no need to turn the sleeves right side out to check if you stitch the lining accurately, then turn the wrong side out again. Don't waste your time. Svetlana is making the seam stronger. Notice that we cut the extra pieces of the interlining material from the whole sleeve. Next, we need to turn the sleeves right side out and go back to the ironing desk. The sleeve should be ironed this way. You need to see the lining. Turn the sleeves, fold the lining in such way that it ends 1 cm below the sleeve bottom, and pin it. When you do it, you can turn the sleeves right side out. This is how the sleeves looks like now. The only thing left to be done is to iron them. Be very careful and attentive. Iron the lining this way first, and then gently iron the sleeves from the right side.
Очень хорошо.
The first sleeve is ready.
Рукав готов.
Next, we'll do the same thing with the second sleeve of the camera. When we do it, we'll show you how the sleeves look like. The coat is almost ready. The color is perfect, the sleeves are perfect. Today we showed you how to edge them. The details are accurate. Have a close look at them. That's all for today. Next time we'll show you how to edge the bottom of the coat. I hope that you find my tutorials useful. Be different and beautiful. We're Pakshta Irina and Svetlana. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I'd really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.
Вся наша команда.